Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to add and remove extensions in Safari on your MacBook. Extensions can add extra features to Safari like ad blockers, password managers, dark mode tools, grammar checkers, and much more. Let's start with how to install them. First, open Safari on your MacBook. Once Safari opens, move to the top menu bar, click Safari, and then choose Settings. On some older macOS versions, this may appear as Preferences. Once the Settings window opens, move to the Extensions tab. Here you will see all your currently installed Safari extensions. To add more extensions, click the More Extensions button at the bottom. This will automatically open the Safari Extensions section inside the App Store. Here you can browse different Safari extensions, including free and paid ones. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find a specific extension. To install the extension, click Get or the Download button. Then confirm using your Apple ID password or Touch ID if asked. After the installation finishes, Safari may automatically ask if you want to enable the extension. If not, we'll enable it manually in the next step. Now go back to Safari, click Safari in the menu bar again, and choose Settings. Switch back to the Extensions tab. Here you'll see all installed Safari extensions. Simply check the box beside an extension to enable it in Safari. Some extensions may also ask for permissions, like access to websites or browsing activity. Make sure to read these permissions before enabling them. Once enabled, many extensions will appear beside the Safari address bar for quick access. You can click those icons anytime to use the extension features directly while browsing. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's see how to remove extensions from Safari. Open Safari Settings again and go to the Extensions tab. Select the extension you want to remove from the left side. Then click the Uninstall button. Safari may ask you to confirm the removal. In some cases, it will also show the extension inside Finder or Applications because many Safari extensions are installed as regular apps. If that happens, simply move the related app to the bin or trash to completely remove the extension from your MacBook. You can also temporarily disable an extension without uninstalling it by simply unchecking its box in the Extensions tab. This is useful if you want to troubleshoot Safari or test performance without deleting the extension completely. And that's it. You now know how to add, enable, disable, and remove Safari extensions on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.